In today's video, we are going to talk about lists. There are lots of occasions when we need to use lists. So HTML provides us with three different types of lists. Ordered list or lists where each item in the list is numbered. An unordered list are lists that begin with a bullet point. And definition lists are made up of set of terms along with definitions for each of those terms. So starting up with the ordered list. So for that, first we will create OL ordered list. Inside it, we will make li items, which are the list items, which we will include inside. So like I write, for example, we are talking about lists. So firstly, we are talking about ordered list. Secondly, we're gonna talk about unordered list. Next li item will be definition lists. So when I save this file, I am getting some lists, and in front of that, I'm getting 1, 2, 3. So this is an ordered list. For example, I write something else like firstly chop potatoes, and in second I write heat milk, and in this last one I write mix in the. So I will write mashed potatoes. So when I save this file, I'm getting chopped potatoes, heat milk, and mashed potatoes. These are all the things that we are getting. So on other hand side, if I write like I'm writing HTML for a web developer, it needs HTML, secondly it needs CSS, and thirdly it needs JS for means JavaScript. So first is HTML, second is CSS, third is JS. So this was ordered list. Next, we're gonna talk about unordered list. So it starts with UL. The previous one we used OL. This is UL, unordered list, and inside it we write li items. For example, I'm writing 1 kg of 1 kg of onions, and in the next li item I write 3 spoonful of sugar, or I can write salt. And next I write we need 3 cups of water. I'm just giving a random value to each of those. So we get 1 kg of onions, 3 spoonful of salt, and 3 cups of water. This was an ordered list. Next, we're gonna talk about definition list. So they begin with DL, definition list, and inside that we get two things, which is DT, the definition term, and DD, which contain the definition. So for example, I take dt first. Now I write succinct and in dd I write sliced raw fish that is served with pepper. So I am done. So let us save this. So this is the definition term. This is the definition content. So we can write as many as we want. Next line. Save this file so you're getting it 2 times. It's up to you how many you want to make. So this was definition list. Now I'm going to talk about nested list. So nested list. So it means like I made an unordered list. And in that I made one item, which is pastries. And next I made one more UL item, and inside that I wrote we need sugar for that. Inside li we need some sugar, and next we need some cream, and save this file. So inside pastries we are getting sugar and cream. This is known as nested list. This is type of nested list. I hope you are clear with all the types of list. We talked about ordered list, unordered list, and definition lists. First, we talked about ordered list. In that, we created 3 li items, which was HTML, CSS, and JS. And second, we talked about UL items on ordered list. In that, we again created 3 li items, means list, 1 kg of onions, 3 spoonful of salt, 3 cups of water. Then after that, we create a definition list. Inside that, we used dt definition term, and dd means definition that contain definition. So definition data, it stands for. We created 2 of them, and afterwards we talked about nested lists. Inside UL, we created one more UL. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching our video.